Hello, my name is Eric Spencer. I'm from Wyoming. I decided to attend Drone Command Live to learn more about drones and the drone industry. I've had an interest in aviation since I was a kid and want to pursue more in aviation. Biggest takeaways there that I've got from the event has been marketing. Went to college there for business and marketing, or business and um, accounting, and I still think that marketing was one of the biggest things there. It's always been something I've struggled with, anyways. The great thing about attending virtually there was just being able to do it from where I'm at, not having to travel to a location there where you guys are doing it, which that sometimes is fun too. Um, where I'm at right now, though, I was in the middle of a real busy season for me, though, so I wouldn't have been able to leave. Um, I would say to somebody who's on the fence about attending there that it's been well worth the time and effort if you are interested in the drone industry or even just marketing a business. I would describe Damien and Diego there as very uplifting. Um, they they have a way of getting you fired up and excited about about marketing, which I hated in school. And Damien does too with the drones, and not so much just delving into what a drone is and what they do, but just the drone business as a whole. That's been a lot of fun. Thank you.